everybody, this is Angela's channel. Thank you for watching. Again, if you guys can see, I'm a little nervous, but I'm super excited. This is gonna be a hot cocoa theme. I have somebody special with me. It's my husband Jake.
Hello.
We're gonna be, well, he is gonna be doing my makeup today. As you guys can see, I have no makeup on, and I'm a little scared because, you know, he doesn't know much
should be scared
of makeup, but hopefully you guys like it, and please write your comments down below, and please subscribe, like this video, and let's get started.
Okay, so I don't have any experience in doing makeup, so let's dive in. Okay, so I guess we start with moisturizing the face. So this is Derma E.
Derma.
Derma?
Yeah, Derma E.
Do a lot, bro.
It's up to you. Your hands.
You got rough hands.
They're big. You can cover my face.
Okay. Then next we'll do a hydration serum.
From Too Faced.
From Face
Too. It smells so good.
Yeah.
I love this serum. Smell it. It smells really good.
It does smell good.
Okay, next.
Alright, so then we do foundation.
Go for
You
it.
put it on the thing.
No, on the sponge. Oh, I'm not supposed to say anything, sorry.
I guess.
You beat my face. Why are you laughing?
I think I put too much.
Okay.
I'm already sweating.
Whatever you can tell me.
I don't want to poke you in the eye.
Ow! Ooh, you scratched
Sorry.
me.
My bad. Alright. And then that's
Okay.
enough of beating your face.
Okay. And if you guys know, I am not looking at. I don't have any mirrors. It's only you and him that can see my face right now. So
this is a concealer by Born This Way. Born This Way.
from Too Faced.
From Too Faces.
You don't know what to do?
No. Hold on.
Okay.
And I get to beat your face again.
Yes, you get to beat my face again. Ow!
Gotta make sure it's really in there. This is like concealer. So see the concept of beating.
Yep.
Alright.
What's next?
I do not know.
Remember, it is the hot cocoa theme, so you need to use the hot cocoa colors.
Alright, so where's the, I need the eyeliner. This one, I don't know, what is this, Sexy?
No, Sex Kitten.
Sex Kitten. Okay.
And it has a little kitten on the top, if you guys can see.
I guess I'll be applying the eyeliner. This comes out bad, I'm sorry.
You're not poking my eye. I'll let you know when you poke my eye.
Okay. I guess that's good enough. Then I guess I grab one of these small brushes. So I'm going to be using the Coffee Bean.
This is Dominique Cosmetics Latte 2 palette, you guys. And what color are you using?
The Coffee Bean.
Okay.
It's like the dark brown, the chocolate,
Okay.
I think.
So he'll be using that color right there, you guys. Why are you smiling?
This is gonna come out bad. Just apologizing ahead of time.
What do you guys think? I'm not laughing at you guys.
She's gonna be upset. I guess I'll use the cream from Revlon.
Oh, okay.
Emily, right?
The Emily Edit from Revolution.
I guess I got this one. So it's the cream. Above on top with the brown.
And what kind of brush are you using?
I have no idea.
Okay. It looks like a flat brush that he's using, you guys.
I guess. I guess I use the blush.
Okay.
Use this fancy fan brush.
Oh, okay. You're
I don't know.
you're doing a hand motion there.
What's the what? What do you mean?
I don't know. You're
What hand motion?
you know science because you're doing a hand motion there.
It's like painting.
Okay.
That's how I'm looking at it. So bad.
Don't make me laugh. Not yet.
You won't be laughing. Okay.
Hold on. Let me just get a sip of my hot chocolate before.
And I've used this glittery highlighter by IBY.
Okay.
I highlight the cheeks. It's like pop.
Oh, now you're talking like a makeup artist here.
I'm trying to compensate for the lack of talent. And then we're gonna work on the lips.
Did you do my eyebrows?
Did I? No, I didn't do your eyebrows.
I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Don't forget the eyebrows. Eyebrows are very important here.
I guess this is the Brow Wiz from Anastasia.
Correct.
Right. See it? Has two ends that I don't know. I guess the brush first to line up the hairs.
You should know. You do your own eyebrows.
Yeah, but I don't use this brush. And then use this end. This is where the paint comes out of.
Oh, you got the pinky going.
I don't know how hard I'm supposed to press, but
You're terrifying me now.
we're trying.
I believe in you.
But the good thing is, at least you
it.
could take it off after.
Yeah.
After you horrify yourself.
I believe you could do it. I trust you.
Then we're gonna move on to the lips.
Okay.
And then you need the lip liner. Is this the lip liner?
That's the lip liner.
I guess I got it right. So this one's from Pop. Alright, you ready? I don't know how far am I supposed to go down on the sides, so
Okay.
good luck.
Thanks.
Then use this Maybelline number 382.
It's a red.
It's a red.
I can match my dress. Okay.
Yeah.
He got something. He's creative. How you want my lips? You gotta tell me.
Google that.
Who taught you that?
Huh?
Who taught?
I'm just guessing.
Okay. I can't laugh. Okay, go.
I don't even know he's. I don't even know. Just, no.
Where have you seen it?
Movies. Legally Blonde too.
So focused.
Start moving.
Sorry, so focused.
Alright, relax your lips. Alright, now let's do your lashes.
What is that?
This one is Bad Gal.
Okay, from Benefit. I love this one, you guys. It's really good.
Not in my hands.
Okay.
You're gonna do, you flick it up like this.
Don't poke my eye.
You gotta open them. I can't get the lashes.
Okay, get my lip. Sorry. You're poking my eye. It's okay. Okay, just go.
I try with my left hand. That's any better. Okay. And I guess I'm done.
Are we done?
Yes.
Okay.
Voila. The hot cocoa theme for
What do you guys
this
think?
video.
Okay, so now you gotta pass me a mirror. I'm super scared just to see me.
She's gonna go, ah! What'd you do?
Okay, dun 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 dun. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh, I like the lips. I like the lips, you guys. The lips are good. He did it better than the eyes. Wow. And then the liner. You almost got to the liner. You did good. I had faith in you. And look at you. I can see a little bit of a highlight, you guys. I can see the highlight. Really? Really good? I was surprised. I thought it was gonna be worse. Yeah, I like the brows too, you guys. They were, I thought it was gonna be really
You're gonna have like
yeah, like so guys, thank you for watching my channel, Angelus. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video, you guys. And I hope you guys like what Jake did to me. I like the lips, they're really good. And Merry Christmas to everybody.
Merry Christmas.
And shout out to everybody who voted for this tutorial. Thank you a lot for supporting us, and see you next time. Hey everybody, we just want to end this video just letting you know to stay safe, and I can't take it serious. I have like this makeup look, but just to tell you guys that thank you for supporting us, and
yes,
that if you are afraid of doing something, don't be afraid. And if you have some bad news going on in your life, just think positive, and Merry Christmas to you guys.
Merry Christmas.